Welcome to our channel Life Insights. This time we are going to explore into the question why people are not interested to seek truth. Why they want to remain as mediocre. They want to live under illusions. They want to be second-hand human beings. They are not at all interested to seek the significance of life. Why it happened so? Once it all happened that people were facing enormous problems from many directions. They tried to solve their problems by themselves, but could not. So they decided to go to God and tell their problems. They went to God and told about their problems. God told that He would solve the problems. God tried to solve all the problems, but He could solve only few problems. Most of the problems were remaining as they are. Even God could not solve all those problems because the problems were heavy. Again, people came and told that they were living in problems. Hence, God was under pressure. So God decided to run away from them. Now where to hide? He sought advice from his advisors. Some of the advisors told him to hide himself in the nearby mountain. Some other advisors advised in a different way. God told them that these kind of methods would not work because people would find him wherever he goes. Then someone advised him to hide himself in the innermost core of the human being. God found that it is a right idea to do. So he entered into the innermost core of the human being and was remaining there. So it becomes very difficult to find him because man tries to find God in the outward world. He never searches God inside himself because man is more interested in the outside world than himself. He knows everything about the outside world than about himself. He does not know anything about the self-knowledge. He has science, technology, politics, religion. In all the directions he is searching. He is faced with so many problems, but could not find the solution for all his problems. It seems the psychological problems are very difficult to solve. Till date, all the problems are remaining as they are. Hence, we are faced with terrorism, poverty, inequality, and so many other problems. Why we are not in a position to solve all these problems? Even though our brain has the capacity to solve, still we are not in a position to solve all those problems. It is because we are not interested to seek truth. The most difficult thing in life is to seek truth. It is very difficult. That's why terrorism is the greatest problem of human beings. Not only terrorism, all the other problems are very difficult to solve because we fail to go inwardly. Always we are running outwardly here and there so that we will be able to attain to peace. We will be going beyond all the ignorance. But it seems very difficult. That's why our life is consisting of so many conflicts. We hate the fellow human beings. We are ready to kill the human beings. We destroy the nature. We destroy the earth. It seems that human beings are against nature. Hence, problems are multiplied. We are not in a position to solve all those problems. Now, how to solve all those problems? We have to turn inwardly because the truth is inside ourselves. If we find the truth in the innermost core of the human being, all those problems will be solved. All the outside problems are very simple to solve, but we don't see the problems directly. Hence, the problems are very difficult to solve. But we have the intelligence to solve all those problems. If we look inside and look very closely, those problems can be solved very easily. It is under the capacity of human beings. It can be done very easily. If we see what is there, we fail to see what is there inside us and also outside us. Only an alert mind is needed. Through an alert mind, going beyond thoughts, we will be address all the problems facing the humanity. Then we will have a peaceful world. Once again, we will be coming up with another one video explaining another aspect of life.